we sleep in the night, we get wonderful dreams. Hundreds of miles away, there's a place of happiness and the way. Dreamland, so it is called. It is not a room or a hall. It is a paradise like a place without any barriers or walls, with greenery all around, with breeze and chirping sound. All is fresh and liked by heart. From sorrows and worries, it is far apart. Parties go on where whole night without liquor, cigarettes and fight. The place where there is no corruption, everyone lives happily without discrimination. The place which is like heaven is my dream destination. We saw a dream far from our home, far from our places, far from our expectations, where everyone go with full of freedom, where we wanted to explore a lot of travel locations, lot of hidden places for travel lovers. Yes, we are Bong Globetrotter. We wanted to help each and every travel lovers to find their dream destination with budget, with full of information, with all itineraries. We are Bong Globetrotter.
ऐसे तो छोटा सा हाइक है, ये हाइक करके हम ऊपर ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं। तो आंटी जी ऊपर आ गए तो इसलिए हम भी आ गए। हाँ, यूट्यूब चैनल है VELLER। प्रियंका नीचे है, ये आंटी जी बैठी है। आंटी जी को देख के हमारे जोश आ गए, इसलिए हम भी ऊपर आ गए। कौन डाल रही है उसको बताइए।
हमारा डालना ही है, आपके चैनल पे हमारा भी डालना है, हमारा भी ले लो।
हाँ, आपका चैनल,
आपके चैनल पे हम देखेंगे ना हमारा फोटो।
हाँ हाँ